starting temperature here in the Mach E is 73.4 in a garage that's set for 75. Placement of the thermocouple is in the same place it was before. All right, well, let's move this out into the sun. The Model Y sensor is about the same place, kind of hanging in the middle of the car. It's underneath the headrest. Okay, the starting temperature of the Model Y is 72.4. So let's move it outside. Cars have been out in the sun probably 20 minutes, and it is broken clouds again today, but it's supposed to be 90. We're gonna hook up here at 12:15 here in just a minute. Take our first reading. All right, so this is the first reading at 12:15 p.m. It's just noontime here now. The Tesla Model Y is showing 89.6. That's our initial reading. Go over to the Mach E. And the Mach E is at 90.8. All right, so the Mach E is at 90.8. It's now 12:45. Ambient temperature is 88.8. Let's have a look at the cars now. Take this, put this in the shade where it's been. We'll walk over to the car here. It's broken clouds on and off. Let's see what we get here now. Okay, this is the Tesla. Looks like I got 115.7 degrees. Look here in the Mach E. Mach E is showing 101.5. We saw this in the low temperature test where the Mach E's mass is pretty big. All right, here's the ambient temperature. This has been sitting in the shade, and I'm a little early. I'm got a call for lunch, so I'm going to do the test. It's now 1:10. I'm about 5 minutes early. It's 84 degrees here now, ambient temperature. And let's go on over to the car here. Sun's been out. You can see it's kind of sunny now. It's good. Sounds like the overheat protection is finally running in the Tesla. And we see that it's 101.6 inside. And we'll go over here to the Mach E, plug that in. And the Mach E is sitting at 110.5. It's now 1:45. Ambient air temperature is 84.3. It's been mostly sunny here. Still have clouds, but humidity's high. It's probably in the 60s. That's 60%. Take a look at the Tesla here. Got enough hands. Tesla is showing 104.8 here. Take a look at the Mach E. Looks like 121.2. Yeah, you can feel the warm air come through. Let's say it's 85 ambient, okay? As you can see, we're sitting out in the sun. It's humid, it's 56%. Take a look at the Tesla here. Tesla. It's like 105 and .4. Okay, stabilized at 105.4. Okay, we'll have a look at the Mach E. Looks like the Mach E is stabilized at 124.9. All right, let's look at ambient temperature. It's now 245. Looks like ambient temperature is right around 84.6, what this guy says. All right. The sun is being shadowed by a cloud now. I don't know how long that's been that way, but see what the Tesla reads here. 1021. Okay. Have a look at the Mach E. $121.5. And if we look, you can see we're getting some heavier clouds here now. That's okay. And Mach E is at 121.9. Looks like 79.3 is the ambient temperature. Take a walk over here. Take a look at the Model Y. Looks like the Model Y is sitting at 100.3. We'll take a look at the Mach E. $116.2. It's now 81.5 here in the shade. Air temperature. Humidity is now about 60%. And the sun is back out. Puffy white clouds, blue. Okay. Looks like about 104.1 in the Model Y, and in the Mach E, looks like it's 121.8. Oh, wait. Okay, it's 122.5 inside of the Mach E. It is 4:15 p.m. now. Sun is starting to get low in the horizon. It's still kind of warm here. It's 85.1.2 air temperature. All right, so let's have a look at the cars. As you see, got a lot of clouds and it's kind of sunny, but it's high moisture content here. Okay. It's like the Tesla is 101.5. I'll make that 102.2. It's the Mach E. Sun comes and goes. We're going to run another 30 minutes and then we'll terminate the test here. This is kind of a medium temperature day. It's a little warmer than the original test, but significantly warmer here in the car. All right, another 30 minutes and that'll be our last test. All right, it is now 4:45 and this will be the last measurement. It's been a medium temperature day. It hasn't really broke 90 except for one reading. It's showing 88.2 here now on the thermocouple. It's hanging in the shade. All right, so let's go ahead and measure the Model Y. As you can see, the shadow's getting long. Plug it into the Tesla here. All right, let's see. Looks like the Tesla is 100.5. Yeah, there we go. Okay. 101.4 is what the Tesla's final reading is here. 101.4. Well, 101.3. See what the Mach E is reading. Okay, let it sit here for another second. Okay, I'm showing 125 here in the Mach E. 125. And this is a medium temperature day. It didn't quite break 90. High humidity, it's 56%. This concludes today's test. Today's test was a medium temperature temp test with both cars sitting in the sun. Both cars started in the mid 70s from inside of an air conditioner temperature controlled garage. I brought them out right about before noon. I started the tests right at noon local. It was partly cloudy, high humidity. The humidity peaked at 56%. The temperature peaked just under 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So it was another interesting test. I'm still waiting for a 90 plus day here, but I wanted to see what type of readings I got here and the differential between the two cars. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss anything going forward. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the link shown at the bottom of the screen gets you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again and take care.